We are all about solutions here at Mom Trends, and when it comes to getting ready quickly, we have talked about the Trestique makeup system that has two dual functionality on every single piece of makeup. Well, they came out with a new solution that I think moms are gonna love. So typically when you're putting on mascara, it's a two-part process. You've got your eyelash curler and your mascara. Well, Trestique has a new solution to that. This is the Good Vibes Mascara, and it has the eyelash curler included. Like all things Trestique, there's dual functionality. So you're gonna start with pulling the top off, and there is this handy makeup eyelash curler included in the product. On the other end, you just unscrew it and you've got your mascara wand. To get started, you're gonna want to use a mirror. So I have my handy dandy makeup mirror here, borrowed from my daughter. And you're going to just take little sections and slowly curl the eyelashes. You're gonna wanna do it in 3 or 4 sections. So easy peasy, the eyelashes are curled. Now I will say it takes a little bit more care than when using your standard eyelash curler, but with a few tries, it's really easy to grasp. And then you simply add your mascara. It's a nice thick mascara that is clump-free and lasts all day. We love this quick, easy beauty solution from Trestique. Check it out on their website and be sure to follow Mom Trends for more beauty videos.